Hey everyone, and welcome back if you're a Pixel user, especially one on the Android 16 beta program. Listen up. Because Google has just rolled out an update that you're going to want to install right away. This is Android 16 QPR2 Beta 3.3, and it's coming to Pixel 6 and newer devices, including the latest Pixel 10 series and the Pixel Fold. Now, before you get too excited about brand new features, I have to tell you, this update is a bit different. Google isn't packing it with flashy new toys. Instead, they're playing exterminator and squashing one of the most annoying bugs we've seen in a while. If you've ever picked up your phone, tried to unlock it, and been met with a completely frozen, unresponsive screen, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's been a massive headache for many of us, often forcing a full restart just to get the phone working again. Well, good news. The official changelog for Beta 3.3 specifically lists a fix for this lock screen freeze issue. This bug, officially tracked as issue number for 157,527,675, is finally being addressed, and that alone makes this update a huge win in my book. It's all about stability this time around. This follows other recent fixes, like the boot loop issue that was addressed in Beta 3.1. Google is clearly focused on ironing out the kinks before the stable public release. The build number for this update is BP41.50916, 15 for the Pixel 6 series, and it ends with a 1 for all the newer models. It's still running on the October 2025 security patch, which again just confirms that the entire point of this release is bug fixing, not adding new system-level functions. Think of these QPR or quarterly platform release betas as the final dress rehearsal before the big show. They rate all about refining the experience and making sure everything is smooth and reliable for the final version. So, how do you get it if you're already enrolled in the Android beta program? This update should be coming to your device as an over-the-air or OTA update starting today. You can be patient and wait for the notification, or if you're like me, you can head straight to your settings, go to System, then Software Update, and mash that Check for Update button. If you're not in the beta program, but this lock screen fix sounds too good to pass up, you can still sign up on Google's Android beta website. The process is super easy. Just a word of caution, as always, beta software can sometimes have its own unique quirks, so it's good to be aware of that before you jump in. Even though an update focused on a single bug fix might not sound like the most thrilling news, it's incredibly important. A stable, reliable phone is something we all want. And this brings us one giant step closer to the final, polished version of the next big Android update, which we're expecting to see later this year, probably around December. For anyone who's been wrestling with those frustrating freezes, installing Beta 3.3 should make your Pixel feel significantly smoother and more dependable. That's the scoop for today. Have you been experiencing this lock screen bug? Let me know down in the comments if this update fixes it for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for all the latest Android news. Catch you in the next one.